Hey everybody, this is a follow-up to the Dell failed video. I think now we can actually order the Dell Developer Edition with Linux Ubuntu pre-installed. So let's go through the process of configuring the laptop. Let's put it in our cart, and then I'm gonna call them to finalize the order, probably sometime next week. Alright, here it is. Let's go through it. We're gonna get the Dell XPS 13 Developer Edition 7390. This one. So we click Shop Now. And then we are going to eliminate most of the configuration options by clicking Ubuntu for the operating system. And it takes a minute to switch to the hand on my computer. I don't know why it's not clicking. There we go. So as you can see, it eliminated a 2 terabyte hard drive. The only option we have is a 256. So by default, it's going to give us, I believe, we only have an option of 8 gigabytes, which is weird because I swore I chose 16 this the last time I tried to order it. So let's see if we can choose 16. Nope. Alright, so customize and buy. For so far, it has the Ubuntu 18.04. So we're going to click Customize and Buy. Though I swore we kind of did that a couple of times already. Alright. So now, it is staying with the 10th generation Intel Core and i7 12 MB 6th core up to 4.7 gigahertz. Ubuntu 18.04 Linux. We're gonna upgrade the memory. We're gonna select the 16 GB. And then we're going to select the non-touch display, primarily because I don't know if the touch will work with Ubuntu. So we're going to keep what's already included, the non-touch display. And then for the hard drive, we're going to pick a 512 solid state. And that's that. And then we're going to go to add to cart. no pro support. Um, and we're going to keep the 1-year hardware warranty, and we're going to stay with no damage, accidental damage service. And then we're going to take none for the Dell client installation. I don't know what that is exactly, so we're gonna go with none. No extended battery life. And of course the software, we're gonna say no. No Microsoft software included. No antivirus software selected. And I'm not sure why they include the Foxit Phantom PDF standard. I don't know if that goes with Linux. Even if it did, I'm sure that Canonical, or the makers of Ubuntu, have a PDF viewer, probably a writer, in their software repository or software store. Again, more software that I don't know why I would need it in McAfee. There's that. Okay. Well, so I was able to add the laptop to my cart, and it's an Ubuntu order. I'm going to finalize it, but you guys saw the customization process, and this time it was not switching back to the Windows 10 operating system. Alright guys, this is just a quick little video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and subscribe and like this video. Alright, talk to you guys in the next video.